Megan here with WTI, and I finally found a sturdy stick-on hook that stays in place. It is these beauties by iRomic, and they are heavy duty. I did a water test with these hooks in the shower and tugging quite hard to see if it would fall off the glass surface. And those things didn't budge at all. I was so impressed with how powerful the suction really is, even when wet. Although these hooks are not meant to be adhered to walls or doors, I have tried it on the back of my bedroom door, and they have held up really quite well. The only time one of the hooks fell was when I put too much on it. However, I was able to re-stick the hook back onto the door, and it adhered just as well as the first time. And now I'm just careful with how much I put on that hook. The entire back of the hook is a sticky surface. As soon as you apply it where you want to hang it, you use a lever system to activate the suction. So these are great because you can stick these in awkward spots to make your space more functional. I like the sturdy suction that these hooks by iRomic give. It really helps them to stay in place. And that's my point of view.